That smells good. What are you making?
Take a guess.
Ramen noodles?
Seriously? Should I be offended by that?
Ah, you make good ramen. Hey.
Hey.
Oh, you're making chicken soup. My mom used to make that for me all the time.
Yeah, I was a little hurt that you couldn't tell it was her soup.
Well, yeah, it's all the same ingredients, except for... Well, that's different.
Different?
Yeah, it shouldn't have this much stuff.
Well, maybe different's a good thing. Besides, I'm trying to put my own spin on it.
Spin on it?
Yeah, I mean, your mom gave me some basics and said, just go from there.
When was this?
When we went out to dinner with them.
You got the wrong recipe, because she doesn't use this much stuff.
She said, just go from there.
What is this? Turmeric? Like, what is that? Seriously?
Turmeric? I'm sure you've had it before.
And an avocado? Seriously, you're about to put an avocado in chicken soup. Really?
Lem!
Seriously, you are?
Lem, what
Wow.
the hell?
Seriously? You can't be putting hipster spins on a family recipe.
I was trying to be cute, like your mom did for your dad.
Well, that's them.
That's them?
Honestly, like the avocados, are you trying to gentrify chicken soup? Like, where's the soul in that?
Soul? In soup? What are you
That's
talking
literally
about?
how my mom made it, with soul.
Am I not putting enough soul in it for
It's
you?
not your family recipe.
What, am I not family?
Stop.
Then why am I meeting your family?
Seriously, stop.
Oh, shit! Look what you made me do!
Seriously?
Acting childish over some damn avocados! Oh my... Shit.